Like to know how to avoid the typical measuring, marking, and bad cuts you make with your circular saw? Well, put down that tape measure and pay attention to this, because now you can make those perfect, repeatable cuts in plywood, MDF, and other large sheet goods without measuring or marking cut lines. Thanks to the Craig Rip Cut Saw Guide. With a Craig Rip Cut, you can easily make accurate, straight cuts with your circular saw every single time. The Craig Rip Cut lets you get the most from your circular saw because it's so easy to set up. The whole process can take less than a minute and you only have to do it once. And the Craig Rip Cut easily attaches to most every brand of circular saw and has a reversible guide for both right and left-handers that adjusts quickly and easily to your selected cutting width. Once the Rip Cut is set, you can make repeated cuts of the same width with no measuring or marking. You'll save time and waste less material, and the guide can be quickly adjusted to another width, and you're back in business. Here's a Craig tip. Support the sheet goods with rigid foam insulation for cleaner, smoother, safer cuts on workbenches or even the ground. Quality projects all start with perfect cuts, so the Rip Cut Guide should be on every workbench. It's the first tool to buy before building bookshelves, closet organizers, tables, or anything else that requires the use of sheet goods. Trade the difficulties of cutting large pieces on a table saw for laser straight perfect cuts made easy with a Rip Cut Saw Guide.
With over 50,000 injuries per year, the table saw is among the most dangerous tools in the workshop. Microjig introduces the Gripper 3D Push Block, protecting your hands and preventing kickback like never before. The Gripper gives you 3 essential forces for precision, control, and safety when working on a table saw. Downward pressure keeps your workpiece firmly down on the table, virtually eliminating kickback. Inward pressure keeps your workpiece tight against the fence to avoid burning. Forward pressure to advance your workpiece while keeping your hands safe and clear of the blade. Its powerful proprietary green grip gives you incredible traction and control of your workpiece, with the ease and accuracy that traditional push sticks and push pads just can't achieve. The Gripper is so much more than meets the eye. There are over 30 unique applications for the Gripper throughout your entire shop. Its applications are boundless, offering more options and unparalleled safety. The center leg adjusts to create a tunnel, allowing the Gripper to pass directly over the blade, giving you consistent motion and stability for the entire length of the cut and shielding your hand from the blade. The balance support stabilizes your workpiece by maintaining even downward pressure, which is crucial when making very narrow cuts. Arguably one of the most dangerous cuts to make, the Gripper makes it safe and easy. The Gripper is incredibly easy to use. Simply put it on your workpiece, slide it up against the fence, and while maintaining contact, push it along the fence to make your cut. Its versatility, simplicity, and unique safety features make the Gripper the best push block in the world.
The Works Axis is more than a tool. In fact, it's 2 saws in one, which means you can click into hero mode in an instant to tackle the toughest tasks. And the 20-volt power share battery provides more than enough power to build anything you can picture. The Works Axis, a thing of beauty.
Hi, I'm Bar.
And I'm Hannah.
In 2014, I ran a successful Kickstarter campaign for the Makesmith CNC. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to our new project, Maslow. Maslow is a 4x8 foot CNC cutting machine designed to change the way we build everything, from art projects to houses. And it's cheap. You can get one now for under $500.
Maslow lets you print the things you can find around you that are made from wood. This could be anything from furniture to the world's coolest treehouse to rebuilding after a natural disaster.
We wanted to create a game-changing tool, which allows people from around the world to digitally collaborate to make amazing things. We wanted to create a tool which was cheap, easy to use, inclusive, and powerful. Basically, we want to help you build cool stuff. To make that possible, we knew we had to make a machine which worked with materials in their native 4x8 form without taking up your entire garage or workshop.
It needed to be affordable, both to purchase and to ship.
It had to be easy to assemble, with no soldering, no programming, and no fancy tools.
It needed to be just as accurate as a person using power tools, even when cutting complex shapes.
Our solution, Maslow.
Maslow uses gear-reduced DC motors with encoders and a closed-loop feedback system to achieve high accuracy and high torque.
Maslow stands only 19 inches out from your garage or shop wall, leaving plenty of space to park a car.
Maslow comes as an easy-to-assemble kit, which includes every piece of hardware you need except for 2 bricks, 2 sheets of plywood, and 3 2x4s. We couldn't get those to fit in the box. Also, if you don't already own one, you'll need to purchase a fixed-base router.
Maslow can be put together in a weekend, using only a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a handsaw. Maslow connects to your Mac, Windows, or Linux computer using a standard USB port. Building things digitally is the future, and we believe it should be for everyone. This is an important technology, and we're making the choice not to patent it. All of our designs, PCB layouts, firmware, and software are available for free right now on our website to anyone in the world. When you design something to print, whether it's a kayak, a tiny house, or a light aircraft, we encourage you to do the same and share your digital files so anyone can benefit.
Check out our videos and content below to learn how easy it is to assemble your kit and to find out how to turn your digital files into real-world objects.
And most importantly, build something amazing.
Car technology, like backup sensors on your car. Today, a new company named FenSense brings you the first wireless app-based backup system for any car. Enjoy hands-free audio, visual, and vibration alerts direct to your smartphone when an object is detected behind your car. It's simple, affordable, and easy to use. Let's make parking safe and simple.